These are rustier than shit. Woo! Alright, see if we can scrub it up a little bit. Hold on, I gotta turn down the music because probably get flagged. For us to keep our insurance, there's 20 things on a list that I'm supposed to take care of. One of them is removing this water heater. The reason is the surveyor, when he was looking at it, found that it was rusted through. So yeah, I'm gonna see how hard it is to take this out. It's probably going to take 4 times as long as I think it should. My guess is 45 minutes, so if it takes longer than that, yeah. Well, let's see how it goes. I've got these. I think I need to cut this gray wire here. These are rustier than shit, though. Crap. These are rustier. This is rust. Rusty. This probably won't work. I'm shocked that these cut that just now. Win. I'm just realizing now that in order to get this water heater out of here, it's not going to fit through the holes that are built. So I think I have to undo this whole top panel, which should be fun. At least I have a drill. So I'm gonna take this guy, get to work. We're getting there. I think we've got 1, 2, I don't know if this goes under there or not. I don't know how this the whole thing kind of seems like it's coming off. Hunter, does this top piece just come off, or is the whole stuff? Is that really all supposed to come up? In my mind, there's no way that's supposed to be happening. I'm going to have to dive into this some more. Do I take a crowbar or something? Like, I feel like... So, alright Hunter, answer me this. Does that top part come off, or does the whole seat come out? Because I don't know. Everything is so hard to get to. Alright, I think we've got it. I'm gonna see if we can pull this out of here. Wish me luck. Still doesn't want to come out, that is. Let's grab some of this, see if we can maybe pry open this top part, because I don't think it's supposed to be attached there. This little bench thing is kicking my butt. I'm like 1 hour, so I predicted 45 minutes and I wanted to times that by 3. Seeming like my buffer might be more right than my original guesstimate. Because of that part over there is not connected anymore to anything. Alright, now, let's clean some stuff. We pulled out the water heater, and it was rusty AF. Still doesn't look pretty, but the rust is gone. Woo! Alright, see if we can scrub it up a little bit and make it look a little prettier, even though it's going to be underneath our seat there. Man, this place is a disaster. I thought it would take maybe 20-25 minutes to put back in since I took it apart, and you know, that took a while, but I thought it'd be easy to put back together. And it took over an hour. I also, it was a tight squeeze to get back in because it has to go underneath that flange or sidewall. I'm not sure what it's called. But then, so I'm beating the side of this with a hammer. Quickly realized I was gonna end up breaking that, so then I decided to use this teak board and hammer the teak board against it. That worked out well. Now I have to screw it all back together, and that project can be checked off the list. As always, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the episode and want to help us out, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.